Anderson also, we are a global leader in process control instrumentation. We do the complete portfolio product service solution that cater the oil and gas industry, and we also do business in many other segments of the market. When we talk about, there is quite some discussions about cloud computing, IoT, data, but the primary data comes from the instrumentation that you see in here, whether it is a flow meter, a pressure transmitter, temperature transmitter. So that's the source of the data. So whenever you want to do the cloud computing, the data analytics, the primary data source comes from our instrumentation. Our headquarters is in Switzerland, and we manufacture the products all around different parts of the world. Before I get into details of what we have highlighted this year, for us, ADIPEC, it is every year we look forward to being part of ADIPEC. I would call it ADIPEC a melting pot where all different industry stakeholders meet, and there is quite some discussion, engagement, and we get a pulse of the market, really what's happening in the oil and gas industry from ADIPEC, especially for the region. You have quite some participation from all around the world, and that brings a lot of expertise, discussions down here. So as you know, Anderson also, we are a market leader in process control instrumentation, and we are showcasing the complete range of product service solutions that we offer to the market. So what is special this year? We have some high pressure solutions that we are offering. Then we also have some specific temperature measurements, bit of a challenging application, surface mounted temperature. So we are also having, or rather releasing the high pressure or the high temperature ultrasonic portfolio as part of the show here. And what you see right at the back, this is our gas model. As we say, the industry is moving a bit away from oil to gas. Also, we can say future is renewables or whatever, but the intermediate solution is always gas. And this particular model that you see in here, this has got the complete solution of gas portfolio, starting from basic measurement to analysis to all the different elements in here. If you look at Middle East as a region, there is a global over-reliance of the energy sources that's produced in here, the oil and gas from here. Now, for the region itself, it is all about energy safety, energy security, and energy sustainability. And a couple of other elements that's coming into the oil and gas business today, the energy business, is the sustainability part of it, circular economy, and water reuse. So the product solutions that we are showcasing here and all new products that we produce, we keep all those elements in mind. So let me explain a bit on the key elements of sustainability, energy transition, that's hydrogen carbon capture, two key elements. All the new projects that's coming up in here, although it could be related to the oil production, transport, or processing of that, but the key element is minimize emissions. So in order to have the world a better place for tomorrow, we always need to minimize the emissions out of oil and gas industry. Although the major emissions happen downstream in the operation, but still there is significant emissions in this value chain happening. So what we do is whenever we are producing a new product or a solution, we keep sustainability in mind and ensure that our products can help minimize the emissions part of it. Whether you talk about a simple flow meter, where the potential leak points can be minimized by minimizing the number of connecting points, minimizing more surface-based measurement. So energy transition is a key element where we are supporting, and the region is also looking into it. And the second element, I started with digitalization. On the backdrop, what you see is some of our portfolio related to digitalization. Again, it's all about data, and we also have our cloud computing software, Netilian, on show here.